York State COVID-19 hotline. If you are experiencing an urgent medical issue, please hang up and call 911. Your call will be answered in the order in which it was received. If you are concerned that you have been in contact with someone who has COVID-19 and would like testing outside of Westchester County, press 1. If you live in the...
Thank you for calling the hotline. My name is Susan. How can I help you?
How you doing? I came in contact with the with a confirmed case COVID-19. I want to be tested.
Okay, what is your spelling of your last name?
Brown, Brown.
Your first name?
John.
Your date of birth?
3/20/1944.
This is for you, sir?
Yeah.
Your address?
76 Vanderbilt Avenue.
Okay, your city?
Staten Island, New York.
Your zip?
10304.
A phone number?
347-263-4372.
You're in Richmond County?
Yeah.
Okay, are you a healthcare worker or a first responder?
No.
Okay, do you work at a nursing home, a school, or traveled out of the United States in the last 30 days?
Yes. A nursing home.
Okay, and
Can you say that again?
I submitted your application. Someone will give you a call.
With the appointment?
Yep, they'll set you up for an appointment.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Be safe.
You too.